So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create files and folders instantly using Python programming. So hey guys, this is Vishwit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So I will open my VS Code. This time I will be using VS Code instead of Jupyter Notebook. So this is actually a folder that I created in my desktop. The name is test. Just wanted to show you. And here I will be opening my Jupyter Notebook. Then I will create a file name called as generate files folders.py. So I will add this video in my OS module playlist. So if you have not checked that playlist, I do encourage you to check that. So I'll be using few of the things from the OS module. So first I will import the OS module. Okay. What I want to do is I want to define the number of folders that I want. So it will be number of folders, which will be equal to maybe 5. And also I want to define the number of files per folder. So number of files, okay, per folder, maybe 10. So each folder will be containing 10 files. So now how we can do this is it's actually very simple. So I will just define a base directory to keep everything inside one particular folder. So I'll be creating one folder, one base directory over here, and that base directory will contain multiple folders, and those multiple folders will contain multiple files. So I will define the base directory. I will actually name the base directory as base directory itself. Now after this, what I'm going to do is I will do for folder in range. I will give number of folders. Okay. And now what I will do, I'll create the folder name. So folder name will be folder underscore, I'll use f string. So it should be folder. That's it. And I need to create the path. So for that I will do folder path, folder underscore path. It will be os dot path dot join, and inside that we will give the base directory name and the folder name. Okay. So our base directory will get created, and inside the base directory our folders will get created. Fine, pretty simple. Now I have to create the folder. This is actually the path. Now I have to create the folder. For that I'll be using os dot make dirs. You can also use mkdir, which is this function mkdir. Here in this will work. But I'll be using os dot make dirs. Pretty simple. So I'll give the folder path over here, which is folder path. Now for each particular folder, at this point our folder got created. Okay, let's execute this. Now then it will be a little bit easier. So if I just type Python, and by the way, just press Control and tilde symbol. Now tilde is like letter before the numeric one. Okay, so it's Control tilde. It's like this particular symbol. It is CTRL plus tilde. Okay, this particular symbol. Now when you press that, your terminal will pop up over here. Now just do Python. Let me save this. Just do Python generate file folder.py. Now if I come over here, now you can see it is able to create the base directory. Okay, and if I go inside, it is able to create the folders for folder 0, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, okay, folder 4. Now I don't want folder 0, I want folder 1. That I will change just now. So the reason for creating the base directory is that it will be organized. My folders and files will be inside this particular folder, so that easily if I go in, I can see everything over here. I don't want this files and folders to be scattered here all over. Okay, that's the reason I just created this base directory. Now for every single folder I want to create a file. Okay, so and the number of files that I want to create is 10. Now how can I do that? It is also very simple. So for file in range, number of files per folder. So now I'll create the file name. So file name equal to file name underscore file. Okay, I'll use the f string to create the file name. Now to create the file path, okay, it will be simple, os.path.join. Now I will pass this particular folder path inside. Okay, so each particular folder will be having our files. Now I'll pass the file name over here. So our file name, our folder path and file name are both present, and this particular path got created over here. Now what I will do is I'll create the file itself. So with open, so I'll give the file path, and mode will be mode will be write mode as fp, okay, or file writer. Fine. Now there is one thing that I missed. So when we are writing file name, we also need to give the extension, right? So I will do dot and I will give extension. Okay, now extension is not defined. I'll put that extension name over here. So maybe I want to create CSV files. Fine, so we can do that also. Now our files got created. Now let's do pass. Okay, and maybe we can just execute this. Let me delete this base directory. Fine, and now if I execute this again, python generate files folders.py. Okay, now it got created. If I come inside, so inside base directory I have my folder 0, and you can see I have files. So I have 10 files per folder. So folder 0 having 10 files, folder 1 10 files, folder 2 10 files, and the other folders are also having 10 files. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now you can see folder name is ending with 0, file name also ending with 0. So I don't want to put them as 0, I will put them as 1. So it will be file name 1, file name 2 till file name 10. And you can see the file size is 0 KB since it does not contain any kind of data inside. So I don't want to create empty files. I want to create some, like the file should contain some kind of data. So what I will do, first I'll solve the number problem. So my folder should start with 1 and it should end with 10. So it should end with that particular number. So in our case it is 5. So it will start from 1 and it will end till 6. So technically it will be like 5 for Python, because Python excludes the last index. So I just added 1 to that particular index to consider that index. So here I will do 1 comma number of files per folder plus 1. Okay, now I will delete this particular base directory. Now here instead of creating empty file, I'll write something. So file writer dot write. Okay, I'll just write, maybe this is, I'll write file name. Okay, I'll do f string over here and I'll save it and I'll execute this. Okay, now if I just open my file explorer, also I can check from here also. If I open my file explorer, base directory, folder 1, you can see file name underscore one.csv, and now if I open this particular folder, this is file name one.csv, right? So file one, file name two. Now if I come over here, like any of the folders, every folder will be containing 10 files. Now you can see file name starting with 1 and ending with 10, and also folder name starting with 1 and ending with 5, right? So this is the thing that we want. So now, like, we can do one thing, like instead of generating CSV files, I can generate TXT files. Okay, now instead of generating 5 folders, I can generate maybe 10 folders, okay, or maybe 20 folders. And instead of generating 10 files, I can generate maybe 100 files per folder. Okay, that will be too much. Let's see. Now if I just execute it, yeah, it is taking good amount of time. Okay, yeah, it took 3 seconds almost, but still it's quite fast because it's like 20, it's 2000 files. Okay, so now if I come back, no, this is not the thing that I want. If I open Reveal in File Explorer, now if I come to base directory, okay, I have 20 folders over here, and each folder is containing 100 items. My god. And like if I open any of the txt files, this is file name 96.txt, right? Pretty simple. So in this way you can generate like files and folders in an instant. So this is like, I'm just using OS module, nothing much. So I think that's all for this video. So if you like this video, do press that like button, and just remember source code will be in the description. So do check that out, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.